Today we will be making a twitch shake effect in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. You don't have to make it exactly like mine, but I am just giving you an idea on how to use it, and then you can use your own creative skills to make your shake effect. Also a big thanks to Hope Edits for the shake effect. You can use it for free from his Payhip. The link to his Payhip and channel will be in the description. Now without further ado, let's get started. First way to make a shake. You can use your choice of graph. Second way to make shake. You can adjust the strength and length of the X and Y direction shake. You can also use these on-off curves for faster or slower shake. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, goodbye.